Hi from the other world, Moldiar here. So, long week, back from the lake. I was chasing off some teenagers that were having premarital sex and smoking crack in a hockey mask. It was fun. They tried to drown me. Anyway, so I was almost sucked dry of my blood by mosquitoes. I forgot that they exist while living in the city, so that's another part of the story. I had a lot of fun. Almost every day was a campfire done, and on the rest of the days there was rain. Although on one of those days, even though there was rain previously, I managed to light the campfire, even though. But now I set up everything as it should be so we can test what we had a week ago, over a week ago, in our memory game. Here is our memory game. As you recall, we were implementing animations, we were implementing the basics of detecting what happens in the code and where. We can now click on the cards and flip them on demand, which is a desirable behavior. But I managed to test something out, and that is to see that this selected suit does not change. At least I have this strange feeling it doesn't. I tried to change it and it didn't react, and that's exactly what I was talking about. So I have probably something in the code that makes it. Yeah, I'm setting it up in the start method to gray. So I should actually get rid of this part of code, save that. And now I should be able to change this to red and just go along with it. Using the Unity editor. Yes, that's what I was talking about. Using the Unity editor default settings phone, stop that. I can now use my drop down for the selected suit. I like that. So, since we have that, now we can implement the game rules. And the game rules are simple. You click two cards, and if they are the same, they move to the paired stack. And if they're not, they just hide themselves again, and it's done. So first of all, let's find if we clicked two cards. Yeah. So detect mouse clicks. And here's the card set state. Now, not only will we set the state, but we will check if we have two cards now flipped. Actually, no. If the card is not null and if we click a card, we want to set the state to true. And how was it done actually? I need to recall now. True. Actually, no, this is false because I have this reverse rule, like it's hidden or it's revealed and is by default hidden. So if it's false, it is revealed. And I think that's actually what is happening here. So what I want to do is reveal on click. And this is not true. This should be true. Now I should be able to reveal on click. Boom. And now, next up is adding those cards a two-space array that will be called private card array revealed cards equals new card array of size 2. So 0 or 1. We don't need more actually for the revealed cards array. We just need for it to be like this. If revealed cards dot 0 equals null, then add the card here. Equals card. Yeah. After that, if revealed cards 0 isn't null and revealed cards 1 is, copy that line, change this to 1 and 1. Now, if revealed cards, actually no, this is not what we want to do right now. I want to see those values, so let's make it public. Yeah, so we are setting this, then we are setting the second card on the second click. And that's it. So I should be able to see now those two cards. Selected, revealed cards, size 2, click. That's awesome. That's not so much. Yeah. This should be before. Right here. I did not foresee falling into it. But this should now solve the problem. This and this. Oh wow, even a pair on the first try. This is actually cool. Now, what I want to do is wait. If yeah, if revealed cards dot 1 isn't equal to null, then do this block of code. And this would actually be check if pair method. And check if pair method will be called here. So this will be a, I don't need it, public, private, boolean, check if pair, boom. And now, if revealed cards isn't null, yeah. If it is null, that means that all, oh yeah, by the way, it needs to return false by default. If this is null, that means that 0 isn't null as well. And now if revealed cards 0 equals dot actually symbol equals this, and return true. Save. I could actually collapse those two here, so that wouldn't be a problem. But what I want to do here is set state for the cards, both of them, to move to the stack. So this would mean I need another animation for that. Where do I have the card? Yeah, let me place a card on the table. Prefabs card here. Cool. Now animation. And this would mean that I need to set their state to hidden and then move them. Yeah. So flip to suit would be first. I need to see how it is built here in the animator. Yeah, hidden. Yeah, this is like this. Okay, so I need a new state. Create state empty, and that is solved. Now, this state is a special state because the card is in a solved state only if I say so. That means it goes from hidden. Okay, now make transition to this. Cool. Now it goes from hidden to solved on a condition. That will be, is this a Boolean? I guess it is. Yes, it is. Boolean solved. So it goes into hidden in the solved state only on solved equals true, and solved is by default false, so I don't care. Now the motion that will be corresponding to that is wherever the card may be, I want it to actually set a specific coordinate. Yeah. Wherever it is, it will be, let me create a new clip. Let me see if I can do it as I think I should be able to do it, not in prefabs and animations. Cool, and save. Now, solved. Boom, like this. And I want it to move in half a second. That was unnecessary actually. Let's move this here. Cool. Now I have it on 0, 0, and I want it to go here. Yeah, is this actually a good position for me? Minus 3.28 and 3.1. Can it be free? No, it cannot. Okay. Now, minus 3.25, 26, 27. Cool. Those are the positions that I am interested in. And those positions are wherever. So what I can do here is delete keys. Now that means that wherever I have the card, I can now play this animation. Oh my. That will be problematic. I'm not sure if I can do it with an animation, so I will simply teleport them there. I will hide them and teleport them. That sounds fair enough. So, yeah, I don't need you anymore. Animator. Huh. Actually, I need this. I need this. The animation may actually be, copy that, go here, paste it here, and get rid of, whoa, no, get rid of this. Cool. Now the animation is just the position. And I think that's fair enough. That's good. That's brilliant. Now getting rid of the card from the table. Nice. So that means if I look here, okay, so the animator did not undo itself. But what I can do here is I'm not sure what happened. There are no errors. Oh, right. Apply. Okay, something did stop working. So the position of each and every card is somehow unaffected. Yeah, it is. What could be the reason for that? This was working, this is still working. I can get rid of this and save that. This wasn't the thing that was messing it up. The cards are placed on the table, they are just not moved. And I wonder, why could that be? So I place the card. Now let's look at its animations. The solved animation. Is this the animation for... Yeah. So let me just... Let me get rid of this. Now car sides will be minus 3.125. Actually one is... Okay. Card should be on 0 and 0. Card sides should be on minus 3.125.7 actually. And this should be on 3.15. Yes? No? Maybe? Two point eight, 2.7. 3.125. Yeah, this was it. Okay. So this is like this, and this is like this, and now this looks good. Uh-huh. 0.6, 0.7, 0.4.5. Yep, and this is it. The card itself does not move, and this is it actually. So flip to card is good. Flip to suit. Yep, this is good as well. Revealed card. Hidden card. And solved. I like that. This looks good. Now, if you could excuse me and answer my question. What is wrong? Yeah, let's just go to flip the card. 0, 0. -1 can stay. Let me look at this card. Okay, this is good. This and this, all of this is good. Apply. Now let's try that again. Let's get rid of the card from the table and run the game. Okay. It began working again, but wow, this was like, I thought for a moment that there was something wrong with my shuffling mechanism. But it shuffled all right. So now if I go ahead and select this card, for example. Oh, it needs to be, which one card? Which card is it? I cannot interchanging it. So it needs to be hidden. Click, discard, solved. I hate you so much. Very, very much. What are your coordinates? You yourself is on -1. This is 0, 0, 0. Okay. That means that I need to move the position of the card to the upper layer. That means when I have solved, it's not card size, it's actually card that's being changed. So your default position has to be this. Apply. Now, remove properties, card, and now let's record. -3.7 and 3.125. This is neat. That means that whenever it's solved, it moves there. That's what I wanted to see. Yeah. Okay, so clicking this away, save. Let's do it again. Why are you mixed up? Because the card itself needs another container. That's what I have to take out of it. Let's see. Solved. All of them went away. Yeah. Okay. Again, I want this card. Solved. Yeah, and it just moved there. It just moved there immediately. I like how this works. Is it revealed? It cannot be revealed. That is actually pretty good. Yeah. So, I just need to figure out the problem with moving the card. What are your coordinates? 0, 0, -1. 0, 0, 0, 0. And since I have an animator that will move your position, I cannot move you. That's what I am taking out of this. Not cool. Not cool. So, always animate. Let's see if this changes anything. What does that change? Animator. You're solved. Yeah, it changes nothing from my perspective. Nothing that I would need. Always animate. That would mean that I need another layer, like adding them to the table. Yeah. All cards would need to be children of the table, or... Well, actually, wait a minute. They should be children of the card container. Why aren't they? Is the card factory not adding them to the card container? Is that it? Yes. Card container dot transform. False. Now, this is a bug that I did not catch very soon. Unassigned reference. The card container. Fair enough. Here. Have it. Let's try it again. Okay, now the card container has all the cards. Nice. So animation works for the card. Flip the card. Okay. But why can't it be set properly? Yeah, I'll probably just move them by code. This is the safest approach for me. Now this should work by itself again. Yeah. Animator. Cool. Run. Yeah, it works. Kind of sad, but... Okay, so back to where we left off. So we have this method check if pair that we need to now uncomment. We are already checking those two cards. Actually, we are looking at those two cards. When we select them, we can now turn those two cards, and they are now being checked every frame. And if pair, return true. So now I add it to an if block. If check if pair. If this is true, then revealed cards dot set set state is my method, as I recall. Where do I have it? Card here. Get state, set state, revealed. And there will be another public boolean, actually public void solve bool state. And now copy that, paste, solved to state. And now this will be this solve. And why aren't you working as I intended for you to work? Oh, yeah. 0.solve. True. And the same for this card. And if it is a pair, solve both of them. I failed. This is a one attempt try, so I would need for the cards to be set in a specific way or just check their state. I have an idea how I want to do that. Sorry for my jumping around. Cables got tangled up in my chair. So, I have an idea how I can see that. So, whenever I will instantiate a card using this, I will set its name to the symbol it has. That means that the card dot transform dot name equals card dot transform dot name plus this. Card dot symbol. Save. I need to look this up here. Yeah, because I'm setting the suit and the symbol for the card right here. New card, current symbol. So this does not help me right now. Unless I move those two lines right here. Suit and symbol. And actually I can just do this. And save. Yeah. That means that I should be able to see what symbol a card has right from the container. Instead of calling this, I will just do this. Because I don't like the clone name, this will be more readable. Star, diamond, shield. So I want 2 stars. Star is here. Table. And the second star is, oh, right beside. Nice. Boom. And now they need to be checked if pair. And if pair, then it should be, yeah, those two here again. Copy that, paste. But instead, set state to false, that they are not visible anymore. Save. Okay. Now, that means that I should be able to select 2 cards from the same suit. Let's go with circle, and where's the second circle? Here, so those 2 cards. Now, this and this. So what is the check pair saying? Yeah, because the symbol is not the same. Current symbol. Copy, paste, save. This will be better. Believe me, this will be better. Now, again, where's the second card? Shield, shield. So, oh, opposite sides. Cool. Shield and shield. And since it's solved, yeah, instead of this, where do I have the setting of the position? Here. Card transfer position. Yeah, let's go with that. I will just create a private vector 3 solved stack position equal to new vector 3 and in no space this is minus 3.75. I hate that this is parentheses. 3.125. Yeah. Minus 2. Boom. And those should be F's. Cool. Now, copy this bit. Paste. Now instead of this, transform.position. Actually, I can just do this. Equals solved stack position. Paste. 1. Save. Okay. Alright, okay. So when the animation stops, it should teleport them. So we have diamond here and diamond right next to you. Okay, I did that. So boom and boom. I missed. By what margin? Three. I cannot change that. Because it's being set every frame. I need now to set those two. Yeah. Equals no. Save. Okay. So when I solve two cards, it's okay. Now, shield, shield. The second shield is here. Okay, let's go with that. Boom, boom. I missed because I couldn't hit the mark. Now I can safely check what, yeah, 2-7. I am like, wow, I have memory loss. Not 7-5, but 2-7. Save. Okay, now. Lightning is here and here. So this and this. Boom. Why did it trigger only one animation? So solved stack position. This should actually trigger only if this is triggered. So by the way, I can get rid of this here bit. Could you maybe, oh, right, we are in play mode. So delete this. Now let's go back to the card, delete this bit, because because we no longer need it. Now, we are setting the state, which will trigger the animation to go to the hidden bit. But I want to move to the solved stack and null the revealed cards only if we already finished the animation. So that means that here, right here, transition to, yeah, flip the suit has to trigger something here at the end. So yeah, this will be a boolean inside the card. This will be a public bool revealed. Now, on the end of this animation, yeah, this is actually pretty shifty for me right now. Let me just put a card in the scene, shall we? Okay, better. Now, animation, flip the card, right here. Add animation event, yes. So we need a method. Public bool revealed. Now, public bool reveal card. Revealed equals true and return true as well. I don't know why, only returning methods, and hide card. False and false. Actually, I can just copy this, paste, get rid of this part here and save. Okay, nice. So this animation event should reveal the card, while flip to suit should hide card. And in my opinion, this will be good. So getting rid of this right now, save the whole scene, and bam, let's fly. So here we have the cross, and the second cross is here. This time I will be watching those two cards. So boom. and you didn't trigger that. Why? Flip to card. Should I move you? Like here maybe? Yeah, let's try that again. Shield. Bam. Yes, it has to be one frame behind. And flip to suit also has to be moved one frame behind. And I cannot do that now. But I can do this. Oh, I fucked up. Big time. Okay, anyway. They're just placed like this. Oh, and here goes the family-friendly bit. Okay. Nevertheless, it began working again. So, this bit here will be only if revealed cards 0 dot revealed equals false. This part. And I need to copy that, paste, do it for the 1 as well. Save. Okay, so now, oh, we have the same setting now. Shield and I cannot trigger 2 animations at once. Is that what I should take out of that? The second heart is at the end. I need to reveal the card. Oh, and check if pair should only check if both cards and this. So check only if both cards have a revealed state. That means that both animations have to finish, both animations have to end. Now, star and star. Star is here, cool. So that means star, star, and what? Okay, so revealed is equal to false. So this set state, yeah, why isn't this set state actually triggering it? So oh, no wait. Cross and cross. Okay. So now this and this. Now check if pair should find that both of those are, oh my, only if they are revealed. Otherwise, return false. So I'm checking if they're a pair. If they are, I'm setting the state. After that, some frames pass by. Some frames pass by, but a check if pair will now see that it's no longer true. Yeah, I cannot do that here. X that out. Bar is pair equals this. Now is pair like this. Now they are being checked every frame. While they should be actually checked on the second reveal. No, I'm just... Something is off in my logic, and I just know that I will not get to that easily. So, back to here. The check if pair works flawlessly, and it does everything it should. It checks if two cards have the same symbol and return true or false based on that. Now, I can even go as far as this. Card first, card second. First isn't null. Actually, I can just go ahead and do this. First, and second isn't null. First and second. And now, this means that I can pass in two cards that can be null. And if they both have the same current symbol, it just returns true. Now, back to this place. I want to check if my two cards are a pair only if they are revealed. That means that if this happens, Y transform. If, yeah, okay. Bool is pair, false. Save. Okay, so private is pair equals false. Okay. Now, if the cards are being revealed, finish their animation, then I'm checking if they are a pair. If they are, I'm assuming that they are a pair and setting the animation to false. After which is pair equals false. Yeah, this sounds good. Let's try that. Okay, so we have a diamond here and here. Okay, fair enough. Boom, one diamond. Boom, second diamond. Animation finishes. Boom, boom. Bam! So we have, yeah, and they shouldn't be now touchable. Which means that set state, yeah, public Boolean solved. And this should only work if solved is false. Yes. If solved, if not solved, do this. Save. Okay. And both of those cards now and getting rid of this line, placing it with this, save. Okay. So shield, and the second shield is here. So this and this. No, I cannot click them. So that means that I should be able to actually... Oh, that didn't null out. Yeah, they became... They can't be null. And now the clicking and revealed cards 0 isn't equal to null. Actually, if it is null, yeah, you can change the state of a card only if this or revealed cards 1 equals null. So if one or the other is null, you can set states of the cards. And here is the last bit. Both of those need to not be null at this stage. So all of this happens inside pair, card pairing method. So this will be a private void card pairing. Boom. And card pairing has another if on top of it. If those two cards are equal to null, return safe. Okay. That means that we are safe from nulls, and now we can go and begin solving our puzzles. So triangle has his pair here. I'm not impressed. So cross like this. Why is it falling one into the other? Oh. There will be a null reference exception. Oh, okay. Yeah, I now get what I did wrong. Because this hasn't been done. Now this can be an OR gate. Safe. Cool. So heart to heart. This to this. Boom. Diamond to diamond. I'll solve the whole board like this now. Triangle to triangle. Heart to heart circle. Circle to circle. Boom, boom. Nice. Star to star. Lightning to lightning. Shield to shield. And cross to cross. Okay, so it works till the very end. So now the last bit is to implement if the cards are different. So if is pair, check if pair, cool. Else. Yeah, if they are not a pair. Then I want to do the same with setting the state to false, nulling the revealed cards, and yeah, that's it. That means that I can now safely select cards between each other when actually cheating. They're both revealed. They're not a pair. What gives? Did I not save the file? Oh, I did not save the file. I'm stupid. Okay, so this and this. Yeah, I need to reveal the cards. So if they are revealed, check if they are a pair. Else if is pair, and the revealed state is true. Okay, this should actually do the trick, I think. Yep. I'm not thinking about the rules right now. Boom! Hey, I actually solved something. Oh, this is a star. This is a diamond in the flesh. Shield. Circle. Lightnings. And crosses. So the game is playable. It doesn't have points. It doesn't have time. It doesn't have the amount of moves to make. Yeah, but the core mechanics are in place. That took a long time. I want to do one more thing before I finish, and that is making it impossible to click. Oh, it already is impossible. What happened there? Where's the second heart? So there was a moment where if clicked quickly enough, yes, I can quickly tap the same card. And that is a no-no. So if the card 0 isn't null, 1 isn't null, and this copy isn't card. Save. Yeah, I could click it twice. That didn't stop it. So I click a card. Transform dot position isn't equal to card dot transform dot position. Save. So if they are in different positions, they are different cards. Thank you very much and goodbye. So I shouldn't be able now to click twice the same card and reveal it as itself. Yeah. Boom. Yeah, this is working. Wonderful. So yeah, I will implement the rest, like amount of moves and such, on the next stream. This took a long journey. Sorry, just noticed. Yeah, hi there. I'm finishing up the stream actually, so you came just at the end. Thank you for joining in. So yeah, thank you everybody for joining in. I will finish this tomorrow. I hope you enjoy my streams. Remember to subscribe and comment if you have any thoughts on that. I had a wonderful stay at the lake, and yeah, in the right-hand corner you have a playlist with all the other episodes of Let's Make a Classic Game, Let's Make a Classic Game Memory, and the previous episode of this stream, the memory stream, and yeah, see you tomorrow. See you in the other world. Moldiar out.